This is getting out of hand. We can't run a business like this.
Maybe he needs some help or something.
Ah, he's beyond help at this point.
Refrigerator?
Okay, that's it. I'm taking away your Kenny albums.
No, don't do that. We need him to focus on stealing the secret formula.
But what if his addiction gets worse without his music?
Who cares? He's just a tiny little speck in the ocean anyway.
Refrigerator.
Oh, now I feel bad.
Don't fall for it, SpongeBob. He's manipulating us with his nonsense words.
But maybe we should try to understand him instead of always being mean.
Fine. What do you want us to do then, Plankton?
Refrigerator, sorry guys. My voice box is